Hello, and most welcome again to another episode of Money Making. So, today we are going to talk about 5 places you're going to get a loan in case of an emergency, right? In case this is your first time here, my name is Doreen. This is Doc Vlogs. In Doc Vlogs, we talk about real estate, we talk about loans, we talk about best websites you can just work on and get paid daily, monthly, weekly, the way you want it, right? We talk about investments, best places you can invest your money and earn at the end of the year. We talk about anything that relates finance, right? So if this is the kind of videos that you've been looking for, or if this is the kind of videos that you like watching, please make sure that you're giving this channel a subscribe, become a family. The reason why I always tell you to subscribe to this channel is simply because whenever I'll do a video, YouTube will always recommend it to you by sending a notification, so that if this one did not help you, maybe my next video will be of help to you, or maybe my previous ones, you can just go through them and you'll see maybe it will be of help to you, right? So don't also forget to like this video. And if you and I had fun, if you're always here with me, if you always get that notification, thank you so much for always being here, right? So let's jump into today's topic. You have that emergency, right? You have seen that thumbnail, and I know that you are here because you need a loan, right? We know and we understand that times are hard, things are very, very expensive. Sometimes we need such, right? So sometimes we just need that emergency loan to save the day, right? Let no one tell you that we don't need the loans. We really need them. The only part that we are supposed to concentrate on after getting a loan is to repay them back on time. So I'll specify today about apps. These apps, some of them are very new. You can always try on them. If you haven't been getting the loans, it's simply because maybe you haven't been listening to the videos until the end. So make sure you're listening to them. I'll specify with the logos. The reason why I always talk about the logos is because so many people will come and imitate the real ones, and you'll end up falling to these scammers. Will just need your information and they'll not give you a loan, and rather they're going to use your information in either bad way, or we don't know what they're going to do with that information, right? So the first app, and the apps that I'm talking about, you'll only find them on Play Store. So if you don't have an Android phone, you can check on my previous videos. I've talked about USSD code. So the first loan is ASAP loans, or ASAP cash. ASAPKASH, ASAP cash. It has a purple logo on Play Store. They're giving out a loan amount of 1,500 to 50,000 Kenyan shillings, depending on how you use your mpesa. So if you don't use your mpesa well, then definitely they'll either give you a very low limit or they'll not give you this loan, right? So please concentrate also on age. So they are giving out to those people who are 20 years to 65 years of age, right? So if you're below 20, or if you are above 65, then just know that this app will not give you a loan. Their tenor is 91 days to 365 days, or rather just 1 year, okay? Depending on the loan amount that you took. They also give out a loan and their interest is 18%. Okay, if you want to contact them, you can contact them from Monday to Saturday on 0207 903685. Okay, or you can email them at help@asap.co.ke. Okay, you can go and try that app. If it saves you a day, please come and comment on the comment section. Okay, so the number 2 app is Chapalon. Chapalon is CHAPAA. Okay, Chapalon. It has a green logo on Play Store. Please note the logos. Maybe you'll just go and dial Chapa and it will give you like 10 options of Chapa, because these people have been imitating these apps, okay? The scammers are imitating apps, and they'll end up even asking you for money. And they always tell you, don't pay for any upfront fee unless they're deducting it from the loan amount that they're giving you, okay? So Chapalon has a green logo. They're giving out a loan amount of 2,500 to 50,000. 2,500 to 50,000. Their tenor is also 91 to 365 days. Their APR is 24% to 50%. Okay, so the process is just to install the app, create account, choose the amount of money that you want, and get the loan. You must be 20 years to 65 years of age also you must be a Kenyan citizen who owns an ID card and is registered user of Safaricom mpesa. Okay, please note that. So don't go and apply these laws with your Airtel line or your Telcom line. Okay, yeah. So if you've been watching me now and you haven't subscribed, please remember to give this channel a subscribe and also like this video so that YouTube will recommend it out there to someone else who is in need of such videos. So number 3 is Sims loan, which has a white logo. Sims is CEMES. Okay, Sims loans. Okay, if you want to pronounce it the way you want, it's okay, but the pronunciation is Sims with CEMES. Okay, it has a white logo on Play Store. And make sure when you're going to these apps on Play Store, also check on the comment section what people are talking about and how the app has been reviewed. So if the app is above 4 point something stars, it means that that app is very sincere and it gives out money to people. Check also the comment section how people are talking about, if they got the loan, if the interest was so high, if they were being disturbed after they have received the loan. Just check on what people are talking about. Okay, yeah. So these loans give out loans to small business people, and they give out a loan amount of 1,500 to 50,000 Kenyan shillings. You must be 20 years and above, so they haven't limited someone who is 20 years and above. Okay, they don't have a limit of the age like others. So you're supposed to repay the loan amount in between 91 to 365 days. Their APR is 35%. Okay, yeah. So number 4 is Easy Cash. Easy Cash is EASY Cash. Okay, it has a white logo on Play Store. Please note it has a white logo on Play Store. They're giving out a loan amount of 5,000 to 50,000 Kenyan shillings. Their tenor is 91 to 180 days. Their APR is 10% to 35%. Okay, how to apply? You also have to install the app, register, fill in, and you must be 18 years to 65 years of age. So for those people who are 18 years, I think now this is your app, because you can also go and check. So you must be 18 to 65 years of age. You can contact them through email at easycashke@outlook.com. Okay, easycashke@outlook.com. So they're also located in Woodlands Road, Nairobi. So if you want to find their location, you can always go to their website on Chrome and just type Easy Cash, and you will see their physical location and everything that you need to know if you want to visit them physically. Okay, so number 5, which is the most important point that I wanted to speak about. This will save your day actually if you just listen to it keenly. Okay, I've talked about it before and I know it's really saving people because I've gotten a lot of comment about it. It's called Zidisha loans. Okay, Zidisha is just a crowdfunding. It acts the opposite of what I've been talking about. So Zidisha, it's a crowdfunding loans which has been formed, but not with those people who are in Kenya, but it's something that is globally. So I'm only going to talk about it in Kenya. So it has a white black logo on Play Store. They have an app, and you can also visit their website. You can go to Chrome and just dial Zidisha. I think when you go the Chrome way, it's easier than the app. Okay, because on the Chrome way, it's a website. It will explain how they work. It has all the details, because even if you download the app, it will automatically direct you to their website. Okay, yeah. So it allows members, okay, to take a loan. Okay, let me explain in depth how Zidisha work. Okay, so Zidisha is an organization that was founded, okay, with people who are abroad. Okay, so they collaborated, came together, found this Zidisha, whereby a donor will give you a loan to fund your project. Okay, but you're going to return that loan. Okay, they have given it to you freely, but you're going to return the money to Zidisha as an organization so that it can help other people who are in need of loans. Okay, it goes like a luta continua. The donor gives you a loan, funds your project. Okay, after your project has been funded and it's being able to stand by itself, so you're supposed to give this money back to Zidisha as an organization. Okay, Zidisha will connect you with the donors. The donors will fund you the money to your project. You're going to give this money back to Zidisha. Okay, so that Zidisha will be able to help other people who are in need of loans and they did not get the donors. Okay, I don't know if you're getting this right. I am Doreen. I need to fund my project. I have a project and I really don't have the money. Okay, so Zidisha as an organization will help me get the money from donors who are under Zidisha. Okay, so if the donors fund my project, I'm supposed to give that money back to Zidisha as an organization, so that Zidisha will be able to give others who did not either get donors or who are not qualified, and or even other organizations. They'll fund other projects like children's homes and other things. Okay, you just know what NGOs do. Okay, yeah, so that's what they do. But with Zidisha, it's 100% they're going to give you a loan. Okay, so they give out loan amount of 3,000 and above to a limit of even 1 million, depending on the project that you have shared with them. Okay, so you can just find them on Play Store, and you can also go to their websites and find more about them. So if you're in need of that emergency, I've talked about some apps. If the today's videos you have tried all of them and did not help, you can check on my previous videos. I've talked about online lenders, I've talked about private lenders, I've talked about USSD codes loans. I've talked about so many apps. You can always go back and refer, check my previous videos, and let it be of help to you. And I'm really hoping in anything that you're going through, if you get these loans, please make sure that you're repaying them on time, because definitely one day or another you're going to need these bigger loans. Okay, and if you need them and you have already destroyed your credit score, it means that they are not going to give you the loan. Okay, until my next video, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do so, because you'll be missing on a lot. Okay, so please subscribe to this channel and let's see you on another vlog. Ciao.